Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to enable MMS or multimedia messaging services on your iPhone. So when you enable this on your iPhone, what this allows you to do is receive text messages with pictures and videos attached from people who don't have iMessages. So if you've not been receiving these type of messages off anyone who you know who has an Android, this is easy to turn on so you can start receiving them. So first let's head over to the iPhone settings here on the home screen. Now in the main iPhone settings, let's scroll all the way down until we see the messages here, and let's tap into that. Now let's scroll all the way down, now we're on the messages section, to this SMS and MMS section here. And then the very first option here, MMS messaging. As you can see, it's currently greyed out, so this means it's turned off. So if you want to receive MMS messages, let's tab this on so it turns green. So now with this toggled on, you'll be able to receive these MMS messages, so pictures and videos, from anyone who doesn't have iMessage. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.